Look. Look how dry it is. It is dry and it is windy. Yeah, it's a warning. No outdoor burning. Warning right now. Guess what? I'm going to do my chicken and noodles in the can cooker. And I don't have much choice. It's just too darn dry, too darn windy. But I've been busy. Let me show you what I've been doing. That is a hummingbird. It's probably a Helix 10. And it probably cost more than the whole boat combined. But you know what? It was on sale at Bass Pro, a closeout. I had to have it. Thanks to the Bass Geek, I have been learning all about this thing. Yeah, I sure have. I'm anxious to get it out under real conditions and give it a try. But just look at that, will you? Huh, that is just amazing. This is the fish finder I had in there before. I don't know. I don't even think they make them anymore as a bottom line. And yeah, I mean, it still works. It works fine. But you know, I just mainly told the depth and stuff, and at now I'm fancy. I can fish like winky doodles. Yeah, they call it TE fishing. And that Bass Geek, he's got, I'll tell you what, I'll put a link down below, winky doodles and to Bass Geek. Bass Geek, he's got the Helix, but I think he's got a Gen 2. He's got a Helix 10, and he's upgraded from a 9. But I'll tell you, watching his videos, he's helped me a lot on my learning curve, and I'm anxious to get out there and try some of the things that he's taught me. So this is the real poor man's bass boat, and it belonged to my grandpa. He gave it to me back in the, I think in the late 80s. This is a 1959, and it came with a 12 horsepower Sea King. And I put, in 92, I think I put that Evinrude on. And then, a few years back, I put this winch on here to pull my boat up. And I got rollers on the trailer. I'll put a link to the video where I did a walkthrough. It was a popular video. And yeah, I take a little crap because I use bricks for my anchors, but I'll tell you what, there's a place where I fish down below the dam there at Keokuk, and it has a cement deck, and those will hold. I can throw out an anchor like that and it will hold. A regular anchor will not hold. I just drag right along. So that's a trick. Yeah, and you know what? I don't pay, I think less than $1. I get those on sale. So then I have it set up so I can bass fish or catfish. Then I got a place for the umbrella. Yeah, and keep my fish in a cooler. I put well water in there. The boat's dirty. It needs to be cleaned out. I need to get it out for the year. That's what I'm working on now. I got just a regular AM/FM stereo with a CD player and a couple of 10-inch woofers, and then underneath here I have, and on the other side I have some regular speakers. I have them underneath there because they're not waterproof. They seem to work all right, work fine for the amount of use I do. I use the heck this boat. If this boat could tell stories, I'm telling you. Calvin, I'm thinking about you. Calvin's Corner, 72. His link will be down below. That chicken is raw, and I'm going to go at least 30 minutes. I think maybe 45 minutes. I want it to fall off the bone. Those are hind quarters I got on sale for 69 cents. Yeah, 69 cents a pound. You just can't beat that. And as soon as that falls off, I want to pull that bone out of there. And then I'll check the fluid. I might add more beer or more water. We'll see. And then we'll add the noodles. Bring it to a boil. And let me see. It says to cook them for 4 to 5 minutes and then drain and serve. Well, I'm hoping that I won't have to drain them. Yeah, it'll be just thick enough. That's what I'm hoping for. Yeah, real chicken and noodles. We'll try. We'll give it a try. 28 grams of protein, 11 grams, let me see here, can you see that? Non-fiber carbs, 11 grams of fiber. Oh, look at that. Yeah, we just got to give this a try. I hope it's good. We shall see. Look how tender that is, will you? Holy cow. Can you see in there? You can't see in there, can you? Look. Look at that. Haha. It's steaming up my camera. Oh, it looks so good. Can you see in there? I got a little bit of broth, but I'm going to add one more jug before I add the noodles. Or cheese ragu. You're going to hear me say it. Look. Just look at the goodness. And oh, you know what? I can smell the green beans. I can. I am anxious to try this. Yes, I am. I'm anxious to try this just to see if it's any good. Mm. Mm. You know what? Yeah. It needs some butter and it needs some salt. And yes, it's very much like the noodles I'm used to. Mmm. Let me get some butter and let me get some salt. Mmm. That is good. And here I thought I was going to have something that I didn't really like. You know, I like green beans, but it's not my favorite, you know. I mean, it's just okay. But in the noodle form, huh, that is awesome. I can taste green beans, but it has the texture. It has the texture of the old egg noodles. It sure does. Mm. I like that. It's better for you. Higher in fiber. And the chicken, yeah, oh my. The chicken really carries through. But the noodles aren't the same. But they have the texture of the noodles. Of the egg noodles. I'm happy. I'm happy. They're not the same, but they are good. Now, let me tell you that. Let me tell you, you got to try it. You got to try it. I don't know if they're in every grocery store or in the health food. I found these at Hy-Vee. I'm glad I did. Thank you for watching. Bill Goudy, yeah.